What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this cute intro right here. It is free. Let me say it again, free. But yeah, guys, let's get into this video. So first, you're gonna go to Canva, look up YouTube thumbnail, and then I just click the blank one just because I'm gonna design it blank. And then I do change my background first. I end up changing it later on, but yes, this is how you do it. There's so many different images to choose from. And again, everything is free that I'm showing you here. I did not use any of the pro stuff. Again, you can get pro. I love the pro just because it has a lot more design things and I use it all the time for my Instagram. But you guys, I am just going to the glow text right here. I'm going to put my name in all caps here. And then I am going to take the sparkle text that I will scroll down and show you. And I'm going to use that for like my cursive. It's going to go over it. I don't know. I just feel like it really pops. It makes my name stand out so everybody will remember it if they ever are like looking it up, or they'll just remember my intro just because I don't know, I just feel like it looks so cute and it stands out. I do just want to say also you can do this on any phone, any iPad, any computer, as long as you can get on Canva. There is a Canva app. You can do this on any one of those. You don't have to do it on a computer. Alright, you guys, I'm just showing you the different backgrounds. Like, look at this cloud. Oh my god, it looks so cute. But yes, I ended up changing it to the palm trees. I don't know, I just like the vibe of it. I feel like it really pops. It looks cute. And I don't know, I just like that whole aesthetic vibe. And then I am just going to be adding in my photos here, I believe. Yes, right here. And this did not used to have Pro to remove the background. See how it has that little thing? It does have Pro, like you have to have Pro to do that. But I do show you right here in the next clip here of how to remove the background free on a different website if you don't have Pro, and it'll add it in there just like so. Okay, and once you add the image that you upload here, you just hit the position button up here, and then I just move it all the way backwards, just so then therefore I am behind the text. And then this right here, I am just showing you how to remove the background. I use remove.bg. That is the website. Literally, it's free. You upload the picture and it removes the background for you. And then you just download it, upload it into Canva, and then bam, you just remove, you put that behind the text, just like I did with that photo that I used with the Pro. So I just wanted to show you guys that, just in case if you don't have Pro and you really, really like that. Otherwise, you can always use PixArt. And then once I have this image moved backwards, I do add in some clouds just because you see how at the bottom there it has like a straight line. I don't like that look. I just took some clouds. You'll see me add them in here and they literally like cover that hard edge, I would say, so it kind of flows better. Okay, now we are going to add in my second image here. Again, if you don't have Pro, just use remove.bg. Upload your second image if you are doing like this exact layout, and then just add it here just like so, and then you can position it just the exact same way as you would if you didn't have Pro. Again, I just showed that just in case if you don't have it and you don't want to spend any money, remove.bg works perfectly fine. I always use it, and it usually gets all of the background out, like behind the picture. And then right here, I'm just positioning this image backwards. I did flip it just so that it looks even on both sides. I don't know, I just feel like it wouldn't have looked even if I had my face the other way. So yeah, once this is positioned there, I am gonna take those clouds, duplicate them, flip them horizontally, and then I'm just gonna add them in here. Therefore, that harsh line does not show. I don't know, I just felt like if I had like a standing up picture, I feel like it would have worked better without the clouds, but I felt like it just needed the clouds in there just so I don't have that harsh line. But yeah, you guys, this is like how you animate it. Look at how cute that looks. Like I never knew like Canva could do all this. But yeah, you guys, just so that it really flowed good, I grouped together the photo and the clouds just so they came in together so you wouldn't see them coming individually. So yeah, that's what you're seeing me do here. I'm just trying to select actually the photo and the cloud, and then I group them. And I do the exact same thing on the other side. I group them, therefore watch right here when I animate it, you will see how they come in together. just like that. Okay, and then where you see the add page at the bottom, you're going to click that. And then that's going to add the second like part of the intro. It'll all flow hand in hand once we put it all together. But yeah, pretty much I made the background again. The palm trees, I am just adding in this iPhone. I end up changing it later to one that'll actually like hold my screen recording. And then once I have that on there, I start to add my text in. Right here is just like my connect with me page. Pretty much I just put all my social medias on here. I added in the logos for Instagram, for TikTok, and then another one for my business Instagram. You will see here I am going to make my own TikTok logo as well. I just took the logo that they gave me that was free, and then I just added a circle behind it just so it kind of looked like the real logo, I would say. They didn't offer one that looked like the one that you have on your phone, like the app, but I did make my own. You'll see here in a minute. And then you can see here there aren't a lot of TikTok like free, like not pro logos. So I had to pick one that was literally just the logo. And then I just added in a circle behind it. Therefore, it kind of looked like the actual logo because I just felt like this didn't pop out like the actual logo did. So I literally just added in a circle shape. I looked up the like a circle in Elements as well. I put that behind it, and then that was like my TikTok logo. This was still free, but that's like the way to do it if you did not have Pro. If you see here how I added the circle, I did the same thing like we did with the photo. I just positioned it backwards, therefore it was behind it, and then I just made sure the TikTok logo was like in the middle of it. Okay, same thing here. I'm just adding in all of my Instagram and like my TikTok names, therefore they can find me on social media. Okay, so right here, I took these words. It pretty much just lets everybody know what I show on my channel. I'm an esthetician. I show beauty, skincare, and I do show a lot of like DIYs for entrepreneurs. So I made this font the big shoulder font, and then I did the letter spacing just so it kind of just gave it a cute vibe and it stretched all the way across without being like super big. You're gonna see that I did add a little bit of like a shadow just so that it like popped up more. I just felt like with the clouds it didn't, so I just added like a shadow behind it. And then you guys are gonna see me animate everything all together and how it all looks. And I think it turned out really good. Plus this maybe took me like a half hour, but I also was recording it and I just never thought Canva had this. And okay, let's not get over the fact this is free and you can do it just as easy. But yes, the last part of this, I am just showing you how I added in a iPhone and then I added in a video over it, just showing me go on my
Instagram, double tapping all of my posts here. I did screen record this on my phone. I just added it in here. I just pretty much cropped it to fit into that square because the like the non-pro account doesn't have any where you can just take the video and push it right into the outline. It'll like automatically do that for you. But like for the non-pro, I literally just had to crop it, and then I just angled this, made it bigger, and then so when it plays, it looks very good. It looks just like the other one. Here I'm just grouping the TikTok logo together just so it kind of looks like it comes in together just like a whole logo instead of the circle coming in by itself. And then I just animated it to this one. I feel like this looks really cute and cool. And then I'm going to show you how the whole outlook looks. Okay, you guys, look at how it turned out. I am in love with it. Again, you can make as many slides as you want. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a fat thumbs up. Or if you'd like to see any other videos, I am more than happy to show you any DIYs, how to do it, especially in a free way. I got y'all. Don't forget to smash that like button and see you next time.